Episode 8, Season 8 ng Dumulog si alias John sa ating programa upang matulungan siya na magkaayos sila ng kanyang misis na OFW sa Singapore.
Kaugnay nito, panoorin po natin ang ating naging hashtag palaaksyon agad.
Kliyente na humingi ng tulong at hinihiling na magkaroon ng mediation.
Yes po, Chief.
Siya at ang kanyang asawang hindi niya makausap,
Nako.
isang OFW, itago natin sa pangalang John.
John, yes.
Kaya ilang araw na ba't ilang buwan kayong di nagkakausap ng asawa mong babae?
Mhm.
Isang buwan at 2 weeks po, ma'am.
Attorney Stomo, anong masasabi mo kay Kuya?
I'll contact him po and bibigyan ko na po siya ng instruction.
Okay, sige.
Malapit lang naman yung office namin sa
Sige,
kanya.
bahala ka na. Pagkasunduin mo yan, ha?
Ayan.
Yehey!
Immediately acting on the said request, I called up the client and set an appointment for him to visit us at Paupasi City District Office. After our discussion on the matter of his concern, I opted to send out a letter of invitation to a conference with his wife. I waited for the parties to appear before me, but the client sent another message telling me that his wife opted to go to DSWD office in Dingle instead of Paupasi City. There, they talked with the assistance of a DSWD personnel and also with the presence of a women's desk police in charge from Dingle. John thereafter gave me feedback that he and his wife has finally settled the matter between them and they both promised to mutually support their children. I went to Dingle Municipal Police Station and I spoke with the police officer Maaya, who confirmed to me that indeed spouses John and Rona had actually agreed to settle the matters between them and their family. So it has been resolved. Thank you, Pala, for the opportunity to assist the client, which ended up in a favorable resolution. Happy New Year po.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Acosta, sa pagtulong mo po sa akin. Maraming salamat po.